Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing chat history sync now in Messenger. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Messenger. Now, if you don't have the sync now button or prompt, well, don't worry. Just go ahead and check some settings, okay? Tap on menu right here at the bottom or the top, depending on your device. So just tap on settings. I got to find privacy and safety. And here you got to find end-to-end encrypted chats. And just make sure that under message storage, and then here go to more options and just make sure again that you turn on autosync. Okay? Now it says here autosync saves a key to your Google backup. Your chat history will restore automatically on devices that you set up from that backup. So make sure that this one is enabled. Go back, save key in Google Drive as well. Enable this one. Continue with Google, log in with your account and just wait for it, okay? And once that's done, force close the app, just like so, reopen it. If it still doesn't sync or you don't have the pop-up, which says sync now, well, just go ahead and close the application, find the Messenger, tap and hold, and then tap on the information icon. And then in here, scroll all the way down and find storage, tap on it, tap on clear cache first. And then after that, tap on clear data, delete, wait for it, close settings right here. If you're using iPhone, gotta go to settings and find Messenger and just offload data or offload app. Okay, after that, reopen Messenger, log in with your account. And then after that, everything should sync automatically. All right, that is how you fix missing chat history sync or sync now in Messenger. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.